Hey everyone, today I'm sharing my thoughts on the Hamzer 61 key keyboard piano set that I purchased for my grandson. He loves composing his own music, so I wanted something that would inspire him while still being beginner friendly. What I really like right away is that this set comes with everything you need. The keyboard, a sturdy stand, a comfortable bench, headphones, a microphone, and even key labels to help beginners learn faster. No need to buy extra accessories separately, it's all in the one box. Now my grandsons, actually both of them, have been experimenting with creating their own melodies, and with the built-in speakers and multiple instrument sounds, they give him plenty of room to be creative. The microphone has been fun too. Actually, my youngest grandson loves the microphone most. He's already starting to sing along to some of the music. Another great feature is the headphones, which allow them to practice quietly without disturbing anyone else in the house. That's been a big plus, especially during those late-night practice sessions. And from my perspective, this is a very budget-friendly choice for a complete beginner's piano set. It's easy to set up, lightweight enough to move around, and still feel sturdy. So if you're looking for a piano for a child, teenager, or beginning adult, especially someone who wants to compose their own music, I highly recommend this Hamzer 61 key keyboard set. My grandsons both absolutely love it, and it's been amazing to see their creativity grow with it. Thanks for watching.